Question 3. Delith runs her own business making and selling candles. She makes and sells 4 different types. Now they want you, for the first part, for A, to fill in the names of the 3D solids in the table above. First one is here. Now it's made of rectangles and squares, so you should know that that is a cuboid. The next one down is made of circles, and it looks like a can, and you should know that that is called a cylinder. Part B. Delith uses a formula to work out the mass of the wax is needed to make 1 candle, and the mass of the wax in grams is 3 times the volume of a candle divided by 5. What is the mass? How mass of wax will be needed to make a candle of type C? It's like a tongue twister. So basically, the mass is equal to 3 times the volume. And the volume of C is 270 divided by 5. So on your calculator, you will write 3 times 270 divided by 5 equals 162. So the answer to that is 162 grams. Delith has enough wax to make 50 candles of type A. How many candles of type D can she make with the same amount of wax? Okay, so we need to find out how much wax Delith has. Or do we? If we look at the mass of candle A, and the volume of candle A and the volume of candle B, we can see that A is twice the size of candle B. Therefore, if you're making candle A, you could make twice as many of candle D. So A has twice the volume. So could make twice so the amount of candles. So if A is 50 candles, D will be 50 times 2, which is 100 candles. So the answer to part 2 would be the 100 candles. And finally, C. Okay, now you can't see it very clearly on mine, but it should have squared boxes. I can see them, but I don't know if you can. And even if I hold it really close, you may be able to see the very faint yellow lines. So it says Delith has made small candles, and one of the candles fit into a box with a lid. A box is a cube with sides length 3. Use a centimetre squared paper to fill. So I'm going to draw. So basically what they're saying is we need to draw a net. Now I can see them, but I don't know if you can. But I'm going to start by drawing 3 across, 3 down, 3 down, 3 across, 3 down. Now I'm going to need 6 of those drawn. Now I'm going to go with a classic net, which means there's going to be 4 of the 3x3s going down. And then 1 on one side and 1 on the other. Remembering they're all 3 centimetres. So 3 boxes across. There are other ones that would work, but I always go with the classic if I've got to draw it. And finally, part D. This is one of those questions where you actually marked on your quality of organisation, communication, accuracy and writing. So So it's one of those where we need to explain exactly what we're doing and how we're doing it. It says it cost Delyth £2.35 to make small candles. It costs 15 pence to make a box. If Delyth sells 20 candles, each in a separate box, and gets £84, how much profit does she make? You must show your workings. So what we're going to do is we're going to work out Delyth's cost to make the candles and boxes. So Delyth's cost per item that you've sold would be £2.35 plus the 15 pence each. So it would be £2.50 per item. So that's what it's going to cost her per item. So if we work out what it would cost her to make the 20 candles, so 20 candles is going to be £2.50 times 20. Which is £50. So Delyth's profit equals her selling price or selling cost, take away her making, so she got £84. She took a cost of £50 to make, so her profit in total is £34.